let's start with the snake game. To create a snake game, first we will create a snake scene. In this snake scene we will create node 2D and then add sprite and area 2D as its child. We will rename node 2D to snake and sprite to head. We will also give shape to the collision. Now let's add the script to the snake scene. In this script we will just create basic movement script, and also depending on the direction in which the snake is moving we will rotate the sprite. Once this basic logic is completed, now we will create the body scene. The body scene will hold some variables. These variables will hold the data of the previous body or the body which was spawned just before this body. So for that we will first create a current direction scene which will have the current direction of our body, and we will create two variables called as direction array and position array, which will hold the data of positions and direction which have been passed by the previous body. Now once this is created, let's create the main loop. In this we will just first write position and give it the directions value and multiply it by 2, or the same number which we have multiplied in our snake scene. Now we will write a condition. If the dictionary size is greater than 0, which means it is not empty, that means that it holds some value. And if our position is equal to the position or inside that first index of the position array, which means that now we have to change the direction. So we will change the direction. Once the direction is being changed, we just want to remove that direction from the array, so we will pop it out. We will create a add to tail function. In this we will give the values from our snake scene or from our other body scene to this body. We will append all those values. We will give parameters position and direction, and we'll append it to direction array and position array. The pickup scene will be created by using sprite and area 2D. We'll just pass the signal. And we will just, if the area body entered, we want to find the snake scene, and we will have to trigger the add tail function, which is not created yet, but we are going to create it. We will check if our direction is changing. If the direction is being changed, then we will iterate to all the bodies in this scene and pass position and direction to them. Now let's create add tail function in this. We will instance our body scene and we'll pass it to body instance variable. We'll also create previous body variable and give it the value of the last body which has been added inside this scene. We will check if that previous body was head or just body. If it was not head, then it means it was body, and we have to pass all the variables which was stored in that body to this current instance body. So we will write that. Once all the values have been passed, we will give it position and we will offset it by the value. I am writing this value because my sprite's size is 64. If the previous body was head, then we don't have to pass the all arrays value. We just simply have to give it direction and position. Now let's create the main scene and add all the pickups in it and snake, and let's run it.